Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for detailed reviews and smart recommendations. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best file drawers on the market right now. The DEVAISE 3-drawer mobile file cabinet and rolling printer stand in rustic brown wood, grain print. At first glance, the DEVAISE cabinet looks more like a stylish piece of furniture than your typical file cabinet. The rustic brown wood grain finish gives it a warm, contemporary vibe that can easily blend into your home office or living space without screaming, office equipment. But don't let the good looks fool you. This cabinet means business when it comes to functionality. Let's start with the core, storage. The cabinet features 3 drawers. 2 of them are pencil drawers perfect for office essentials like notepads, chargers, and pens. The 3rd drawer is a full-sized file drawer that fits both A4 and letter-size hanging folders. It's designed to handle all your documents efficiently, making it easy to stay organized. On top of that, the cabinet includes 2 open storage shelves. These shelves are ideal for stacking books, stashing paper reams, or even housing your printer. Speaking of printers, the top surface is wide and sturdy, so it can easily double as a printer stand. That's a big space-saving bonus, especially for compact home office setups. You're not just getting a file cabinet. You're getting a multi-functional station that can take on multiple roles depending on your needs. Mobility is another big win here. This cabinet sits on 4 caster wheels, 2 of which are lockable. That means you can easily roll it wherever you need it, and then lock it in place for stability. Whether you're rearranging your workspace or just need to scoot it out of the way, the movement is smooth and effortless. One of the standout features of this product is its lightweight design. Weighing in at just 22 pounds, it's surprisingly light thanks to the fabric drawer construction, which keeps the overall weight down without compromising on durability. And while it's light, the combination of engineered wood, steel, and fabric offers a solid, well-balanced feel that you can rely on daily. Another highlight? Easy assembly. The cabinet comes with clear instructions, and you won't have to deal with an overwhelming number of parts. It's a straightforward build, which saves time and frustration, something that's always welcome when you're setting up furniture. In terms of dimensions, the cabinet measures 15.75 inches deep, 29.53 inches wide, and 26.77 inches high. That's a nice mid-range size. Big enough to hold your essentials but compact enough to fit under most desks. The rectangular shape keeps it versatile for a variety of room layouts. Now, while it's not lockable, which might be a deal breaker for those storing sensitive documents, for general home office or casual file storage, it's an excellent option. The focus here is clearly on mobility, style, and practical day-to-day organization. So, who's this for? If you're working from home, managing a side hustle, or just looking to upgrade your home office with something that doesn't look like it belongs in a cubicle, the DEVAISE 3-drawer mobile file cabinet is a fantastic choice. It's stylish, functional, and incredibly flexible, just what a modern workspace needs. That wraps up our look at the DEVAISE mobile file cabinet. If you found this review helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Product Critique for more hands-on insights and product breakdowns. Got a question or want us to review another office essential? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.